I think everyone is fine and doing good at home. And let us see continuation topic for yesterday's class, that is for probability. And in this class you are going to see the problem, theoretical part of the probability, and let us see the problem of probability. So in a deck of 52 cards are well shuffled, find the probability of getting red king, hearts, ace and face card. That is the problem related with cards. So no more, I think no students will have experience in cards. So let us see what are the cards which are possible to be in that 52 cards. So here 52 cards are been divided into 4 groups. So 2 groups are red in color and 2 groups will be in black in color. And in each group you are going to have 13 cards. Each group you are going to have 13 cards, and first group may be heart, second group diamond, third group club, and fourth group is spade. And what are the 13 cards and which cards you are going to be in 13 cards? Let us see. And each group you are going to consist A. A means yes. A means yes. And next, and the cards are numbered also. That is from 2 to 10. And each group you will have 2 to 10 numbers, and as well as you will have in each group king, jack and queen. So in each group you will have king, jack and queen. So here this king, jack and queen will have the faces in the cards. Will have faces in the cards, and hence that cards king, jack and queen are called as face cards. So totally you will have here 4 ace and you are going to have 12 face cards, king, jack and queen. Totally you are going to have 12 cards. So this is the interaction related with cards. And let us see the problem. Now what you should find means you should find the probability of getting red king. So where is red king? You just go through that cards. So red is here, red, and king, how many kings are there here? You have only one king, and here red. So how many kings are you are going to have? Red color kings. So red kings. So red, how many kings you are going to have? 2. That is number of favorable outcomes and total number of outcomes. What are the total number of outcomes you are going to have? Means 52. So total number of outcomes 52, and the question is red king. So number of favorable outcomes of getting red king. So how many red kings are there with us? So we have only 2 red kings. 2 red kings, and the probability of getting red king. So and it is given by the formula total number of that is the favorable number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, and number of favorable outcomes is nothing but 2, and the favorable, that is total number of outcomes, is nothing but 52, and your answer after cancellation 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 6 are. That is 1 by 26 is probability of getting red king. And let us see what is your next question, that is hearts. So you will have the same steps throughout the chapter. And what is the second question? Hearts. So number of favorable outcomes of getting hearts. Just you have to note this, only this is the step you are going to change in every problem. And how many hearts are there? Where is their heart? So here is their heart. So total number of hearts how many? 13. That is number of favorable outcomes of getting hearts is nothing but 13. And the probability of getting hearts, that is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So what is the number of favorable outcomes? 13. That is 13 here, and total number of outcomes is nothing but 52. So cancellation 13 ones are and 13 fours are. That is 1 by 4. So probability of getting hearts is nothing but 1 by 4. And your next question is ace. So number of favorable outcomes of getting ace. So how many ace are there here? A 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is ace cards. Ace cards is nothing but 4. So number of favorable outcomes of getting ace card is 4, and the probability of getting ace card is nothing but favorable number of outcomes 4, and the total number of outcomes is 52. After cancellation you are going to get 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. That is 1 by 13 is the probability of getting face cut. And the final question, face cuts. That is the number of favorable outcomes of getting face cut. So how many face cuts is there? Just go through that introduction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And hence the number of face cuts are nothing but 12. And number of favorable outcomes is 12. And probability of getting face cuts is the number of favorable outcomes 12. And total number of outcomes is 52. So after cancellation, 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. That is 3 by 13 is the probability of getting face cuts. So like this, in this chapter, each and every problem depends upon the same steps, and I hope you can practice the problems at home. Thank you.